In this week's PPF Pro Tip video, I'm going to go over how to trim paint protection film with a knife. There we go. Film's gliding nicely. So I'm just going to take and squeegee that down. So, just with very light pressure. Pull it back nice and slow. It's actually lifting the film up. That right there says I never cut any paint. You know, I cut just enough through the film that I can actually pull the film away without knowing that my knife went into the paint at all. So I just scored the film perfect amount. So continue to pull that away. You can see how it's lifting the film up. If I cut all the way through, it wouldn't be lifting